So good morning. Today we are actually in the process of changing rooms. Yeah, I know we just did the room tour for the girls, but the girls are deciding to flip their rooms, meaning big sis is gonna get little sis room and little sis is gonna get big sis room, because it's like really weird because we never noticed that little sis room was actually bigger than big sis room. And so we're just gonna do that, right? Start working on that, and hopefully in a couple of days you'll see new rooms. So what the man is doing now, I'll just quickly show you, and he's taping this. What is
masking
this?
Tape.
Masking, no, painter's tape, huh?
It's called masking tape.
Masking tape, yeah, I call it painter's tape. So he's gonna tape it so that when we start painting it will be a different color. We won't paint this color onto this. So little sis is still picking a color, big sis has already picked a color. So we're gonna go to the store and we're gonna pick a color for little sis.
Yeah, I think it's right here. Oh, you can search it up.
So how do you search for?
I don't
So
know.
what's the first step?
Search colors and what is this one? Peppermint. It's peppermint what? Oh. Mint stick. No.
Oh, that's the color that you like? Where's your color? Which is your color?
Right here. Teal Zeal.
Teal Zeal?
Yep. Excuse me.
But it doesn't have any.
Oh, they said.
So where's your color?
It's right here.
Okay. Did you scan the barcode? So you scan the barcode. Okay. But you gotta leave it like that. Do it like that and scan. Okay. So it already exists. Say close. You've already put it there. That's it.
That's how your room's gonna look.
So this is how your room is gonna look like. Is that what you want?
And then. Oh wait.
So now that you've picked your paint, the next thing is to pick the sheen, the way it will appear. So which one do you think will work well for you guys? Read through. Interior. So is either this shade, eggshell, or eye gloss? I like this.
I like this one.
The high gloss. It's gonna be so shiny.
I know.
I like this one.
I like this one.
You decided that you don't like the one that you picked, right?
No.
So now you have to come up with another color. Okay? So I hope this helps you. So the color you guys decided on, yours is what?
Aloha.
Aloha. And yours is, what's your color?
Coral Fountain.
Coral Fountain. Yay! And we're going for the Behr Marquee. And the reason why we're going for that is because that has both the paint and the primer in it, so that we don't have to buy 2 gallons of primer. Okay, so we bought this. This is like the best quality because the other one is not good. And then we bought extra rollers and this. So ladies, are you ready? We have to wait 8 minutes and then we'll come back and get our paint. Yay! You're excited?
Are we going back in the car?
No, we're not going back in the car. Are you excited? Are you tired from being in the gym all morning? Yes. Yeah, so this book is really good. Yeah.
It shows almost all the paint. Well, I'm pretty sure
All the paint colors. Yeah.
And mine is right here.
Yeah, Laura.
Yeah.
And did you find yours?
No.
What's the name of yours?
Coral fountain.
That's yours.
That's cute.
Okay.
It looks like bubble gum.
Yeah. I'm tired. Hey guys, I am like so tired. I took this thing called grit. The grit what do you call it? Exercise stuff, and I'm tired. I'm like aching. But it's all good. It's all good.
It's all good.
Yeah, it's all good. Your paint is ready. Okay.
Which one's mine?
They put the color. See, this is yours, and then this one is yours. Yay! Yeah, so you need the thing to use to open the paint right here.